Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox gift card not working. To know how to fix or how to solve gift card not working, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list we search about this window of Roblox. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone, so please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe.